It's craft time! Today we're going to make space shields that you can use for pretend play. What you need for this activity is picture frame matting or some cardboard. You'll need some packing tape, or if you have some contact paper, that works really well. You'll also need scissors, some paper, and crayons or other craft materials that you can use to draw. Now, I was thinking about space shields because I was learning about the magnetosphere, which is a shield that the Earth has to help protect it from rays and energy from the sun, and it uses magnets to repel that energy away, and also the things that can come from the sun that might harm us. And so I was thinking about space shields as a fun thing to use to pretend. So what you need to do is, if you're using a frame like this, you're all set to begin to start. But if you're using cardboard, then you're going to need to cut out a shape from the cardboard, and then we're going to add packing tape across that part right here in the middle that's open. And that packing tape we're going to add some different decorations on. If you use the packing tape, you have to take a few pieces of tape and overlap them to cover up the whole area. If you use contact paper, you can just cut the contact paper to fit the hole that's in there, and then you peel it off and you paste it on there. It sticks on itself, and then it has a sticky surface right here, and that's what we're going to use to add some decorations. I was thinking that what would be fun to have on my space shield are things that make me feel powerful. All kinds of different designs or pictures that make me feel powerful. So I was thinking about colors that I think are powerful and shapes that I think are powerful. And I'm going to draw some of those on a piece of paper right now to start out. So I have some purple. That's a color that I think is really powerful. And I'm going to draw a big wavy line of purple. And I like this blue color. You can tell this is one of my favorite colors. It makes me feel really powerful when I wear it. I'm going to do a wave of blue underneath it. And maybe I'm going to do some black, and that one I'm going to do some pointy shapes over top of it. Wow, that looks pretty powerful, I think. Now I'm going to take that and I'm going to cut that design out of my paper using my scissors. And I'm just going to cut that out. Maybe I want to have it in two pieces, or you can decide to keep it all in one piece. So I'm going to cut it just like this in the middle. Now I have two very powerful, I think, designs. And I'm going to put those, stick that right onto the tape. That looks pretty cool, I think. And then I might decide I want to do a different kind of shape. Maybe I want to do some, just some really pointy lines like this. And I'll cut some of those out and put those on my space shield. You could draw pictures of